How to edit Pipedrive CRM. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I will show you how you guys can edit Pipedrive CRM. So there are so many things to edit in Pipedrive CRM, but in this video I'll cover almost everything that you guys need to know at all cost if you guys want to start using Pipedrive CRM. Well, on the left side you guys have many different options. You guys can click on any one of these options and you guys will be taken over to another page. In the leads page you guys can customize any lead details. So for example, if I were to add in a lead over here, well, then after that I can simply click on save, and then as soon as I have a lead saved, I can just simply click on this checkbox and I can click on these three buttons, and I can of course import more leads, or I can change up this lead by simply clicking on it, and I can start editing anything that I put in previously. So that is how you guys can edit leads over here in the lead section. And then it's the same process for deals. You guys can add in deals over here. You guys can add the status of a deal. You guys can add the contact person, the organization, the title, the value, and you guys can simply move it along as you guys progress through the deal. For example, if I were to just simply put in some random information over here, and I can just simply create a deal myself, and now once the deal has qualified and the contact is made, I can just simply drag and drop it over here. So that is how you guys can edit your deals and move it along. And then similarly, it's the same thing, basically very easy. You click on anything and you guys will simply be able to customize it. If you guys want to customize your personal information, well then simply click on your profile icon and click on personal preferences, and now from over here you guys are going to be able to see all your personal information, and you guys can just simply change your currency. You guys can change your email, your name, whatever you want, and you guys will be able to just simply edit anything you want in Pipedrive. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.